Okay, boys and girls, today we read all about Chrysanthemum and her amazing and very unique name. We're going to do a chrysanthemum craft for our center. Now, the first thing I want you to remember is the first thing I do is always the same. I look at the top and write my name. So I'm going to write my name in the top corner. Now I'm going to flip my paper over. In your bag, you have 4 pink petals, a green stem, and a green leaf. We're going to make our flower. So first I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the green stem. So remember, I'm just going to pull my glue stick up just a little bit. And then remember, just a dot, not a lot. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue, and I'm going to press my stem down. Now I'm going to put just a little bit of glue on my leaf. Just a dot, not a lot. I'm going to glue my leaf on. Okay, now I'm going to put my flower petals on. So just a dot, not a lot. And I'm going to put down 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, friends, so now I have my flower craft. At our next center, the writing center, we're going to do our writing about chrysanthemum.